Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the ultimate Guess the Sea Animal Quiz Challenge? Test your vocabulary with 100 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word genius. Please watch the video till the end and comment your score below. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. What's this? Fish. Guess this. Shark. Name this. Dolphin. What's this big swimmer? Whale. How about this? Octopus. 5 down. Great start. What's this wobbly one? Jellyfish. Guess this tiny horse. Seahorse. Name this star. Starfish. What's this crawler? Crab. Try this one. Lobster. What's this small swimmer? Shrimp. Guess this colorful fish. Clownfish. Name this fast fish. Tuna. What's this fish? Salmon. How about this? Squid. Guess this flippered one. Seal. What's this tusked animal? Walrus. Name this gentle giant. Manatee. What's this slow swimmer? Sea turtle. Guess this flatfish. Stingray. What's this giant ray? Manta ray. Name this slimy one. Eel. What's this pearl maker? Oyster. Guess this burrower. Clam. What's this spiky ball? Sea urchin. 25 down. Awesome job. Check out the description for English learning resources. What's this ocean flower? Anemone. Guess this bird. Penguin. Name this scary fish. Barracuda. What's this bright fish? Angelfish. How about this? Pufferfish. Guess this sword nose. Swordfish. What's this speedy one? Marlin. Name this small fish. Herring. What's this confish? Sardine. Guess this white fish. Cod. What's this food fish? Haddock. Name this flatfish. Flounder. What's this big flatfish? Halibut. Guess this noisy one. Sea lion. What's this unicorn whale? Narwhal. Name this white whale. Beluga whale. What's this singing whale? Humpback whale. Guess this giant. Blue whale. What's this killer whale? Orca. Name this one. Hammerhead shark. What's this one? Tiger shark. Guess this one. Great white shark. What's this smart swimmer? Bottlenose dolphin. Name this sea animal. Porpoise. Guess this moving home. Hermit crab. 50 down. Check out the English learning resources in the description after watching this. What's this living fossil? Horseshoe crab. Guess this color changer. Cuttlefish. Name this spiral shell. Nautilus. What's this oily fish? Mackerel. Guess this tiny fish. Anchovy. What's this sea vacuum? Sea cucumber. Name this reef builder. Coral. What's this sticky one? Barnacle. Guess this shellfish. Mussel. What's this spiral shell? Conch. Name this one. Scallop. What's this animal? Whale shark. Guess this aggressive shark. Bull shark. What's this flying ray? Eagle ray. Name this leafy one. Leafy sea dragon. What's this tiny swimmer? Krill. Guess this venomous one. Sea snake. What's this big fish? Grouper. Name this spiky fish. Lionfish. What's this beak mouth? Parrotfish. Can you guess this animal? Triggerfish. What's this balloon fish? Blowfish. Name this flying one. Flying fish. What's this one? Electric eel. Can you guess this sea animal? Murray eel. 75 down. Almost there. Keep watching and comment your score at the end. What's this rare shark? Goblin shark. Guess this spotted shark. Leopard shark. Name this bottom shark. Nurse shark. What's this deep diver? Sperm whale. Guess this prized fish. Bluefin tuna. What's this golden fish? Mahi-mahi. Name this dangerous one. Box jellyfish. What's this floating sting? Portuguese man a war. Guess this colorful one. Sea slug. What's this one? Dugong. Name this furry swimmer. Sea otter. What's this shell? Abalone. Guess this colorful fish. Wrasse. What's this Dr. Fish? Surgeon fish. Name this camouflaged one. Stonefish. What's this exotic fish? Mandarin fish. Guess this striped fish. Moorish idol. What's this sea animal? Ribbon eel. Name this redfish. Snapper. What's this ugly fish? Monkfish. Guess this spiky one. Porcupine fish. What's this diving bird? Pelican. Name this simple animal. Sea sponge. What's this flat urchin? Sand dollar. Final one. Guess this. Weedy sea dragon. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 100 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Boost your English with resources in the description. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!